Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us. Today will be a short video just to demonstrate to you how to add a welcome chat to your Wix website. So this will enable you to chat and welcome your visitors to your website live. And some templates and some sites may have this feature already built into it. You'll see that in the bottom right hand corner of the screen if that is the case. So that'll kind of have it by default. Some of the sites don't though, and yours may not, which is why you're here. And to do so, you will need to add it as an app. Okay, so under here, under the Add Apps button on the left hand side in the editor, we need to go there. And then under the Search Apps field here, just type in Wix Chat. Okay, so that'll give you 3 different options for apps that you can add to your site, which will allow you to welcome chat or chat to your visitors live. And we're going to go for the top one here, Wix Chat. This seems to be the more user-friendly version of the different chats that you can have on your website. And if you hit Add to Site, obviously I've used it previously, on that little button there, it appears in the bottom right hand corner of your site where it would be by default if your template had it built in. So obviously we can do a couple of things with this chat function now. If you select it and hit the little settings button here, that'll allow you to kind of manage the chat, open any inbox chats that you may have missed. This will also inform you then that you can chat to your users live through the Wix mobile app. So when you click that, it just takes you to a link to the App Store. If you download and install that app on your mobile device, that will enable you to chat to your users live. So that will make your welcome chat function anywhere that you are. Obviously, under the display, you can, set where it appears. And set the kind of notification display as well. The design, obviously it allows you to upload a logo and set what it looks like when it's minimized, as well as when it's popped up as well. So if you hit the back button, when the chat engages and it pops up from the corner, you can have a look and stylize that a little bit there also. Obviously the text here refers to what appears on the top of the chat, so whatever you want to name that as, and you can also add your message there by default. You can tell your users that you'll reply as soon as you can, within a few minutes, a few hours, within a day, here as a default response, as well as a message that you can have display when you are offline. So from here, there's a couple of further options that you can, make a chat form and kind of turn your visitors into leads, if you want to kind of weaponize that into like an email campaign or something like that. Okay, so that concludes our short video tutorial on how to add a welcome chat to your Wix website. If you'd like to explore one-on-one support from a team of experts, you can do so with a link in the description for this video. That's suitable for beginners who are looking to build a Wix website from scratch, and advanced and experienced users just the same who are looking to rebrand or restructure their site or have got a specific problem. Again, you can access that team through the link in the description for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, you can subscribe to the channel and give us a like. And if you've got any requests or specific questions or comments, please leave them as a comment down below. Thank you very much.